Hello, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to not 30 days of sketches. Tuesdays in the attic. We've got Dusty Attic Sketches, week 34. I am continually documenting my South Dakota trip from 2017. I just have 4 photos of just the mountains with the clouds, and it just was really impressive to me, and just something we don't see every day. So I have 4 pictures that kind of don't fit in with some of the other pictures when we were driving around. So I wanted to document these, and I thought this would be a good 2-page spread to do that in. I'm gonna play with Bella Boulevard, Time to Travel. So I've got a Bella Pop, I've got some ephemera pieces here. A lot of papers in this that I probably won't use, but some decent ones that are some B-sides for sure that I will. I've got 2 pieces of blue cardstock and then a piece of white cardstock. This was a double shot kit from a couple months ago. And then, so I ended up getting, this is Let's Get Lost paper, which I like both sides, honestly. And we've got, what's this one? This one's called On the Go. So it's just lots of travel icons. And this one is Freeway. So more than likely, I'll use this side, but this side as well. And I just thought they were good colors. Good colors to be documenting this trip. Now, I don't have two of one of these to spread across the page, so we might go ahead and grab some wood grain that will go well, because I'm sure I have some, or another subtle pattern of some kind to bring in and do this sketch. But I'm excited. So let me get some other paper picked out and some things trimmed down and set and photos matted, and we'll get started. Okay, I did lots of cutting and gluing while I was off camera. So I went and found this lovely white wood grain. It was just from Hobby Lobby, so it might be a Paper House paper, might be whatever other random brand Hobby Lobby has, but I had 2 of them. Thought that would work perfect because it's white, but it's patterned, but it's not like obvious pattern. And then I went ahead and I cut 5" by 10.5" of this blue, which the back is which the back is that pattern. So I did 2 of those, and then I had 2 inches left. So I did 1 by 10.5, tucked those in there, and then I cut my rainbow stripe, or the multicolor striped paper. I did 1 inch, and what I did is, because I only needed 10.5, I laid it down, cut it, and then pieced it so that the colors just kept repeating instead of like mirroring or whatever. So I did that. I took a piece of white cardstock. So I got a piece of white cardstock in this kit, and I trimmed off about a 1/2 inch after I punched notebook punch, also 10.5 inches. These are about 9.5 inches long, and this one's like 1 inch, and these are like 3/4, because that's just what I had left, because I matted my photos in this paper and in white cardstock. So that's what they are. And I did them exactly as the sketch called for: 4x4, 4x4, 3x4. Well, this is supposed to be 4x6, but my pictures aren't quite 6 inches. So 4 by 5 and 3/4 or whatever it is. I had a tab, so I added a tab here. I figured if I want to do any journaling, I'm going to add it here. And then I just started laying out all the ephemera pieces and things that I had. I inked the edges with Broken China Distressed Oxide, which I didn't ink the edges of anything else, but I thought, so the sketch looked like, it was a dark paper framing a white pattern, a subtle pattern with white also. And I didn't really necessarily want to do that because I was doing like a white pattern. I didn't want to frame it again with another white, so I figured I would just add a little color. So I just inked the edges with Broken China, because it was kind of like this color, just to bring a little lighter blue, little contrast. I did it kind of messy. I didn't really, it's fine. So we did that. So yeah, now I'm to the point of I glued down my title, which I just used some leftover thickers. I only had to Frankenstein one L and an A out of a V, and then I still had like a, I think it was like an exclamation point. So I was able to add a bottom to my L and an inside to my E. So that worked out really. So the only ephemera piece I'll probably not use is this cute little airplane. So he'll get set aside. But I've used up quite a bit of papers. I only have scraps left, which is awesome. But I just started kind of clustering all of the items I had left. So we're going to glue those down now. So what's going to happen? I kind of want to do, I think I want to put, hold on, put the other Polaroid maybe over here. That over there. Now that side's done, and we might add, I'm trying to decide if I should, maybe I should add some broken china splatters. Yeah, I'm trying to decide what I should put in here too, if I should stamp something or just, ooh, maybe I have some, these are like an orangey, these are not phrase stickers. Here, these are phrase stickers. Oh, we can just put just the word beautiful. There you go. I could use more of those probably. Maybe we should do that. I know it shouldn't really matter. It's travel themed, airplanes, whatever. And this one I probably could tuck an airplane in because it's all about the sky. I don't know. I just feel like I don't have a spot for it. You know? These Bella Pops are so cute. So I used up all though. I used up everything except for the airplane. And here, I'll show you. I have a little bit of white cardstock. 2 little strips of that blue. This. And this. That is it. So this would be a good photo mat. And I don't know what else. So this might be something. Because a pattern I almost used, which would go really well with this, is this denim paper. Oh, it's the Paper Studio. That's what this wood grain is. So the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. And so I almost used this denim. So this would work really well for doing this. Because the other side is like the travel icons, which, I mean, I probably could do another layout using this, either with this or the green. So we'll see. Maybe I'll sneak in yet another layout, but I feel like that denim and that blue could be for anything, especially since all I have left is an airplane. I don't think I have pictures of us doing airplane with my kid either, because that would be perfect. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to add some splatters, and then I'm just going to journal down here. So we are going to use my little craft, the silicone part, put a little Distress Oxide down, do some spritzing, and some splattering. And we'll call it good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love that, turned out really good. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching, and make sure you check out Dusty Attic and their sketches on Instagram. It'll be linked down below. And then also make sure you go check out their shop. It's pretty cool. I know I don't use a lot of their products. It was more their sketches that I was attracted to the first time I ever came across them, but their products are pretty awesome too. I do use their stencils quite a bit, and I do eventually one day I am going to order some more, because it's just Australia, so it, you know, it takes a while. Yeah, we're gonna put some splatters up with the title. I chose the wood grain just because wood grain, wood, nature, it works, right? And then we'll just do a few more down this way, because So we're going to journal down there. Perfect. All right, you guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.